Hello student, our today's topic is customer as a vendor and vendor as a customer clearing. If a customer is also a vendor or a vice versa, then the following settings are necessary to clear both roles against each other in their master data. The vendor number must be entered in the customer account or the customer number must be entered in the vendor account in general data tab of business. For that we will use transaction code BP. SAP में जाते हैं. Enter BP, press enter. Now enter here our business partner number, that is 500,151. Double click on it. Check our BP role that we want FLVN 00. Now click on vendor general data. Click on general data, then click on company code. Vendor general data, then click on vendor general data, and here click on change button, and enter our customer number. We'll check customer by company code. OPQ tools, and then click on save button. Okay, display the message for business partner again. Yes, no, okay, our customer number is saved. Then click back. Again enter BP. In command field press enter. Now we will search by name. Change here. Name OPQ tools. Click on start button. Double click on it. Change the BP role to FL CU00. Change, first click on yes button. Now click on customer general data, and here check our supplier number is proper or not. Continue button. Supplier by company code. Our supplier number is 20011. Click on save button. That's it.